Good day everyone! In today's video we're going to show you how to contact anyone on Snapchat without having them in your friends. So go to Snapchat and go to your account right over here. Then set the little gear icon, click it. Scroll down a bit and where it says privacy and control, it says contact me. And this is who can contact you. Click on that and check everyone. Scroll back. So just needs a quick refresh. And there you go. Now, what does that mean? This means that you don't need to have a person in your friends list to be able to exchange snaps with them, and you can message other people who don't have this set of friends as well. So pretty much anyone who has this set can talk with each other without having this function or having their I don't know how to call it, chatter in the other friend list, etc. Well, hope this helped. See you next time and have a nice day.